What's up, everybody? Today we are still in Morong at the market, and I'm just gonna do a little walk around here. And here we got the little wifey, everybody. So we're gonna head out and do a little walk, right? So yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go. I guess they're having a lot of construction here. Got some rice dealers and some other thing going on here. A lot of construction. Sorry for the noise, guys, but that's what's going on here. Yeah, we're doing video. Yeah, there. Some fresh fish. The fish is still splashing around. It can't be much fresher than this. It's swimming around still. Wow, those are.
This one is always swimming around.
Yeah, I see it. See it. Yeah. Some crabs, some shrimps. What are those? What are those?
Flying fish. Flying fish.
Oh, those are flying fish?
Maliliit ba yan? Oo, yung maliit.
Yeah. Oh. Are you singing today? You singing today? Huh? Yeah, that's good. He wants his freedom back. He jumped out of the box. All right, so let's go down this road. Nice market though. Here we got the famous chicken feed here, right? Chicken feed. Yeah. Pork chops. Yeah, looks good. That's the fly catcher. Yeah. Hello. Yeah, they got their freezers and they got everything here. So. Yeah. Shopping the pig head, right? Yeah, I know. I see it. Yeah, it's not noisy in here. Noisy in here. What do you got here? That's tilapia, right? They keep them alive. Wait. There you go. Yeah, what's this? Red grouper, right? Those are those are good fish. I love them. Yeah. What? Yeah. And these small little crabs are small little crabs. What's this here? What? Blue marlin. Yeah. It's so red meat. It's really nice. Yeah. Right. Charcoal. They sell charcoal here too. The most common fish here is the bungos, and then you have what do you got?
Swordfish.
Oh, swordfish. There you go. That's an interesting one. Yeah. Yeah. Big one. Yeah.
Tanigi.
Huh?
Lapu-lapu.
Baby grouper? Yeah. They shouldn't be taking that out of the sea. They should let them grow. Yeah.
Rumble.
Yeah. And when you go here, they clean the fish for you. You buy it whole, and then they clean it up for you. So that's a good service. All right. Looks like they're doing some construction in here too. And moving people out. What are those? Are they red onions?
Yeah, that's organic.
Huh?
Organic.
Organic?
How would a price look?
Yeah. So this is how we get our food, fruit, and all other things. Good morning. And there's plenty of it. There is plenty. Yeah. Eggplant, cucumbers. Look at those carrots. They look good. The sun is killing it. Shot. This is the dried fish, right?
My favorite.
And smoked.
That's a smoked fish.
Smoked fish. And that's another dry fish there. Like that. So. And a lot of green tomatoes, broccoli, cauliflower, a little bit of everything. And here they have all the noodles, dried noodles and stuff, and it is pretty good. Huh? Yeah, watermelons right there, and onions, a lot of garlic. Yeah, looks like nice garlic. So if you go to the market, you can Get a lot of fresh stuff, fresh fruit, pineapple, oranges, a little bit of everything. Mango, yeah, they're good. They look good. Yeah, and banana. And get out of the way here for the trike.
It's a really nice market.
Yeah, the market is nice.
Yeah.
I mean, we've been here so many times before, but we.
No, this is your first time. This
But-
is my second time.
Yeah, no, you know.
The first time I came here with Wendy.
Yeah. But what I mean is the first time I get up to the market.
I see.
We've been in Morong many times, but never gotten up this way.
Buwad.
So what's this here, honey?
Huh?
What's
That's
this?
ginger.
That's the ginger root.
Yeah.
Okay. Watermelons. Rich apples. They're actually, really, really big and nice. Look, it's shooting for. Look, it's shooting for dried fish.
Yeah.
She's like my wife.
Very good.
Dried fish. That's all they eat when they're back home and they.
I'm not shooting this to eat. I'm shooting this to sell.
Yeah. You buy it to sell it in your store, right? Yeah. That's good.
Here is more cheaper than.
If you repack it, maybe. How much is a pack? 70 pesos? 60? I don't know.
Do it.
Let's do it. Let's fry up some pork chops and eggs. They have eggs here somewhere, right? I never seen any eggs though.
I get 2 pounds.
Wait, ano kayo, ma'am? Egg?
So take out. Nah, it's fine.
You want potato, right?
Oh yeah, I eat potato. So let's take out. You want the small ones? How many do we take? 2? I go down and get some pork chops, right?
Nagugulat ka pa, ha? Okay, we're going to go there too.
Oh, okay. And eggs, do they have eggs down there?
I have an idea. They said they have
Usually get about a bag.
They're out of eggs?
Wala silang egg. No egg.
Maybe down there we have.
Yeah. Yeah, that's like me. I pick the red ones. I don't like the green tomatoes. Don't like the green too much.
You know what? Their stuff here is like, what is it? So very cheap than.
Yeah. All right, the wife is gonna get us some eggs, so we're gonna have eggs and pork chops for breakfast. So we'll get that taken care of. This looks alright. Huh? Yeah, but these looks alright, except for the fly. So, okay. Okay. This one?
Ay, sino kasama mag-kilo doon? Asa si Keboy, nandun?
Yeah.
Yung ka pala ba, ate? Wala ka kamo. Sumap ka, kami na masan yan. Pero kaya kuhanan. Kahit 2 kilo lang. Kaya po siya. Saka lang ako.
Kaya magkano ang kilo dito sa. Ha? 220.
220 kilo. Okay. Well, at least 1 kilo.
kilo?
Yeah, do we just put it up here?
Yeah.
Pick them. Huh? Yeah. That's too much, huh? Less fat. There you go. One more piece? A small one? Here you go. Oh. All right, so we get that. Do we have shark? Do they have a grill over there?
Yeah, so the other...
Yeah, but then we need to buy some charcoal. Okay.
Maybe we can tell the stock to buy charcoal.
Well, we'll just buy it. We have it here. Do you like the barbecue your pork chops on the grill? Because I can pick up some charcoal right there.
Okay. Because I'm thinking to get this one also.
You thinking to get it? I thought you already got it.
No, I mean like I'm going to put to the grill also.
Oh yeah. Well then we get some charcoal. Got us a bag of charcoal and we are going to go home and barbecue. Oh, you got eggplant? Do you like those?
I don't like it.
I fried eggplant. If they're spiced right, I eat fried eggplants.
That's for me. It's nothing to eat. You're gonna die.
Right. You're picky. You're a little picky on food?
Sometimes.
Yeah. All right, guys. There was a little walk in the market, and we are going to wrap this one up. And we'll see you at the next video.
Yeah. Bye for now.
Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button. And then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again at the next video.